Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk shock absorbers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. So that you can change the back shock absorbers on your car, you must lift the rear of the vehicle and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the rear wheels, raise the back of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the back shock absorbers on your car. Using a socket wrench and a 16mm socket, unscrew the lower screw on the shock absorber. You can use a jack to line up the location of the screw on the shock absorber base. Remove the screw. You may want to use a drift punch to remove it. Then, using a ratchet, an extension and a 16-gauge socket, loosen and remove the top mounting screw. You can now extract the shock absorber.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new shock absorber. You need to pump it several times on the actuator to get the system going. Put the new shock absorber in place using the upper part. Screw the upper holding screw. Then, slide the lower part into its housing and screw it back in. Finalize the tightening of the screws with a torque wrench. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.